See this? We are supposed to find out the rank of this one. Now if you observe it, it is always better that you have the first element as 1 here, so that you can make all the elements as 0 directly by multiplying with it and subtracting. And then here if you get a 1 here, then you can get all of them as 0. You can make all of them as zeros. Got it? So anyway it is already 1. So using it, you can make all these 3 elements 0. For that reason, I am just subtracting from R to R1, and from R3 2 into R1, and from R4 3 into R1. If I do that, I am going to get all 3 zeros here. Got it? And now using this element, since it is already 1, you can make all these elements, all these elements as zeros, right? So what I did is, from R4 I am subtracting R2. Anyway, R2 and R4 are identical if you observe it. 0 1 1 0 and 0 1 1 0, right? Therefore you get all zeros here. Yes, we got all zeros here. Now if you observe it, it is in echelon form, isn't it? And now since it is in echelon form, the number of non-zero rows is going to be 3, right? So the number of non-zero rows is 3, therefore rank is 3. Therefore rank of this one is 3, since the number of non-zero rows is 3. Or even if you observe it, there is a 3 by 3 matrix which is triangular, and the determinant of this one is 1, that is why rank is 3. Now observe the next one. Now again I'll try to make the first row as 1 in the beginning. That is why I just want to I'll just exchange these two. The reason is I want to make the first element as 1 here, and then using that I can eliminate the other elements in the first column, right? So I just exchanged it, therefore I got the first element of the first row as 1. Now using this I can eliminate other elements and I can make all of them as 0 in the first column. So for that reason I want to make it as 0, therefore I am going to multiply this one with 3 and I am making it 0, right? So I'll multiply this one with 3 and subtract from here this one, and then I'll try to make the second row second element also as 1, so that later I can make the other elements as 0 below it. Got it? So I got all of them zeros, and even I am exchanging these two. Okay, all these elements are made zeros, and then these two rows are exchanged. Now using this I'll try to make this one as 0 and this one as 0. So I am multiplying this one with 4 and subtracting from here, and multiplying this one with 2 and subtracting from here. Then what did we get? Check this. So all these 3 are zeros and these 2 are zeros, right? And now finally I want to make this one as 0, just to make that echelon form. So for that I am just multiplying this one with 2 and subtracting it from this and adding it to this. So if I do that, okay, I am just multiplying this one with 2 and adding it to R4. Then I got this. Okay, now if you observe it, it is in echelon form, and in this echelon form the number of non-zero rows is 4. Therefore the rank of this one is 4. In fact it is a upper triangular matrix, isn't it? All the elements below the principal diagonal, this is the principal diagonal, right? All the elements below the principal diagonal are zeros, therefore it is upper triangular matrix, and the determinant of this matrix is 23 minus 23, which is not equal to 0. So we can say that rank of this one is 4, and since rank of this one is 4, rank of this one is 4. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.